morning. Hey guys, I got a package in the mail yesterday. And I thought you might want to see me unbox it. Let's find out what it is. Let's find out. Okay, first I have this really cool card. This is a Harry Potter box, by the way. And this is a letter from the creator. Her name's Cherry Wallis. Let's see what's here. Got a nice little box. Let's find out what's in it. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that's amazing. It's a flying key from Harry Potter. If you've seen Harry Potter in Philosopher's Stone, Sorcerer's Stone, Harry has to go through a series of tasks, and one of them is he has to catch the correct flying key. That's really cool. It's a Christmas tree ornament. I like it. Good job, Jerry. And we have this. This is a great box. So let's see what's in it. If I can get it open. Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool. This is one of the chess pieces from when the trio had to go through the same series of tasks. One of them was to cross chessboard, a wizard's chess, and the pieces were huge, and they had to beat the wizard's chess pieces, which, by the way, they like tried to kill each other and stuff. It was kind of gruesome. Here we have another box. Got a little ribbon. Looks like it's tied with twine. It's not, it's on the box. But pretty cool nonetheless. So far I'm liking it. Oh, cool. It's a remember all. I like this. I think it'd be great on a display shelf. It's just one of the things that was mentioned in the first book. It looks really cool. I wish it had some red wispies inside. I don't know how they'd have done that. And it would have been nice if it was glass, but yeah, oh well. I mean, I get it. And it was shipped from the UK, so if it was glass, it'd probably be broken anyway, so. Very cool. And everything's packed in Christmas squiggles. Red, green, beige. Got a really nice Christmas pin. And you can see the H for Harry and the lightning bolt. And I'll get a close-up of this and insert it and point out all the cool stuff that's in there, because there's some really good stuff in there going on. That's really nice. I don't have very many pins. I think I just have one or two that I've gotten in subscription boxes. But this one's cool. I like it. And it could be made into a Christmas tree ornament very easily. I like it. Or put it on your Hogwarts stocking or something. This is really cool. I mean, it's like really wrapped. This one's real. It's very cool. Let's take this one. Oh, I think I know what this one is. This is from a Weasley. A little bit of tape. I kind of like this paper. That's kind of cool. It's really just plastic. But that's a good idea. The dog thinks she's going to get something to eat. There's see that? Okay, you can see it. This is a Weasley scarf. It's a scarf like Mrs. Weasley made for Fred and George for Christmas. That's nice, and it's not too thick, so you can still have just a fashion statement, or if you wanted to cosplay or something. But if you really want to use it, you can just wrap it around. It's going to be plenty. I like it. It's not super bulky. Good job, Cherry. Good job. Let's set that here. Alright. I gotta reposition because I'm running out of room. We have this one. And it says, Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. I love it. They look like Weasley sweaters. I love it. And my initials are, yay. Oh, those are great. Those are going to be great when I have a winter again. Let's see how warm they are. See if they even fit my fat hand. Oh, those are good. And they're not too big. A lot of gloves I get are too big because I have short, stubby fingers. Those are good. I'm liking this more and more. Oh, did you get a sneak peek? A Chudley Cannons pendant. That's awesome. The Chudley Cannons are a sports team in the Wizarding world. They play Quidditch. I don't remember that. That's not a real team. There is a couple teams that they mention that are actual soccer teams, but this one is a Quidditch team. I know where that's going as soon as I get moved. Awesome! Looks like an envelope. This might be a cheat sheet or something, but I don't think so. I think that was all in the card that I didn't read because I thought it was a cheat sheet. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, I know what it is. Or I think I know what it is. This envelope is very pearlescent. It's very pretty. It's an invitation to the Yule Ball, which was held in the 4th year at Hogwarts. That's amazing. It's just beautiful. And there's the back. It says to be held at 1900 hours Christmas Day at the Great Hall Hogwarts School. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, together with the Ministry of Magic, request the pleasure of your company at the Yule Ball to celebrate Christmas and the Triwizard Tournament. At 21:30 hours, the traditional Champions Waltz, strictly dressed to impress. That's awesome. I really like that. That'll be a display piece. Looks like one of those, like those fancy cards that you buy for somebody on their birthday or something that you spend way too much money on. You know, the $9 cards, because cards are outrageous. That's very pretty. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay, this is a little smushy. Not gonna lie. Not too bad. I hope it's not broken, because it's pretty heavy. Oh, cool. I'm so glad that didn't break, because that's amazing. That is the bottles that the pumpkin juice was in at the Yule Ball. And it's got this cool bottom on it, so I'm sure if you fill it with liquid, it'll all pick up that blue that's at the bottom, and that might be what it's meant to do. Like I say, I haven't read the card yet. This is very cool. And this is glass. This isn't, this might be plastic. Nope, it looks like it's glass. That's very cool. So that'll get filled up with just clear liquid and maybe a little glitter. That's very cool. This is, see, she does amazing things when she does a box. Can't, like, it's not a subscription box, it's just a one-off thing. But this is the second one she's done. And she always puts in just, it's like she looks for stuff that she has wanted to have but can't find. And she puts that in, which is awesome. But I can't get it. There we go. There, I got it. Oh, that's cool. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you know what that is. If you're not, it's called a howler. The letter that Ron got from his mom when she was very angry. That's very cool. That's a framer. And she drew this. She does watercolors, and she did this. That's very cool. Okay, so I have found the cheat sheet, I believe. So this is not the cheat sheet, this is just a card. Yeah, it's just a little note to the person who bought it. It says, this year has been filled with such magic and our community is thriving. Our wizarding world is some of the most incredible, passionate, and kind-hearted wizards and witches within it. And I'd like to say a huge thank you for all of your support with the Curation of Magical Curiosities this year, and that's what this box is called. Merry Christmas and a magical New Year. That's awesome. Yeah, that'll be... These things are gonna go on a shelf. A lot of these are going to be like prized possessions. Definitely worth the money. I'll get some pictures and insert into the video, or a little closer, better videos of the products. Oh, I forgot. This one didn't fit in the box, so it came outside of the box. I don't know what this is. Poster of some sort, maybe a little too big to be a book cover. Stay. Let's see. Oh, it's a Yule Ball poster. It's a poster for the Yule Ball, which is where the pumpkin juice bottle came from. That's very cool. That's very cool. This paper is bizarre. It's almost like it's got a coating on it, or like it's suede or something. It's very cool. That's very nice. It's like a poster, a professional poster you'd see for a concert or something like that. That's going back in here so it doesn't get crushed before I get moved. So I think that's it. How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11. 11 items. If you're a Harry Potter fan, it's definitely worth following Cherry Wallis to see when she puts one of these out again. It's a really good box. I'm very impressed. I saw her opening the last box she did, and I regretted immediately not buying it, so I had to snag this as soon as it went up. And they're always limited quantity, so you have to act pretty fast. So you want to follow her on Twitter or on YouTube. Just her name, Cherry Wallis. Okay, so that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna edit a video, go take some pictures of these things so I can put them in and you can get a better look. You all have a good day and thanks for watching. Bye.